Clearing your search history on Monster 2025 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your search history is removed. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Monster 2025 website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Find Privacy or History section. In the Account Settings menu, locate the section labeled Privacy or Search History. This is where you can manage your search history settings. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the Privacy or Search History section, look for an option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option to remove all previous searches. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After selecting to clear your search history, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Confirm the deletion to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Monster 2025. Regularly managing your search history can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience.